Inside my case I have my CD drive already installed and my hard drive because I already had them. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna start unboxing everything and doing little clips. And yeah, I will see you guys with my motherboard open and ready to install the CPU. Alright. Okay, so here's update number 1. I have unboxed my motherboard. It actually looks really nice. I like this like black and gold finish type of color scheme. It looks actually. I tried pulling that one off and the bottom of it stayed on. So, you know, I don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my CPU and get ready to install the CPU. Guys, the next clip. Okay. So after the that was quiet was because my mom was CPU with the stock fan. I have my RAM and yes, and then I have my power supply installed. I have the fan in the bottom, which is gonna have the blue LED light. All right, what's going on, guys? See a big shadow is because I have shining on because I didn't want to use my phone's 20% and I'm too lazy to charge it. But anyways, as you can see, there's a big it's not a big mess. It's really just this big cable and this cable right here. Planning for this cable already. I'm just somewhere. It came out through this hole right here, where all the other cables are going through, and it cannot reach the connector for it. And I really don't know what to do with this cable. I don't want it just out here. I do want to run it through somewhere in the back, but it won't reach if I make it go back through a hole. And another thing is I didn't pay attention to is that this case only has front USB 3.0 connectors, which is this cable, but the motherboard does not have a USB 3.0 slot for this. Doesn't have the connection for this cable. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, what's going on? So here again with a little update, and pretty much the update is I've connected the 24 pin and something that's let me focus. Alright, that looks kinda better. But I didn't notice, or what I didn't, is the fact that this cable, the 24 pin connector from this power supply, this specific power supply is a 20 connector, not a full 24 pin connector, because the little this big cable right here is the 12 volt cable that goes up there. And like I said earlier, is that the fact, or I don't think I said it in this video, I said it when I unboxed the case, that this specific case doesn't have a little hole on the top where you can run this cable through. So yeah, it's just go, if I bring it to the back, bring it here, like through this hole and then throughout this hole, and try to connect it, it reaches up to like the RAM. That's how short this cable is. So I gotta like let it, I don't know if I can like probably put it somewhere and extra Molex cables, express, but you know, 6-pin connectors that I'm not going to be using. So these cables right here, I'm probably going to put them somewhere there. This right here is the eSATA front connector that I don't want to use. I don't know if it's important or not. I know for a fact I don't even know what it does actually. Connecting it, it's just here, and then like I said in the earlier clip, is that this USB 3.0 connections board, which sucked or a mess. You probably hear it. I still haven't unboxed my graphics card yet. It's over there still. This is gonna be the 6-pin connectors. It doesn't have any like any little zip tie places where you can connect all your cables to. So I actually really management. Top fan right here is this connection right here, and I don't know if I have to connect both cables, both connections into one, or just have one. I hope it. This doesn't connect on. I have this connected from one there and one there, which this is the front one, the front LED one. I hope it has this shared power, and I have my hard drive connected, and also for my CD drive. So I have that connected. You can see through there, connected, and I have the bottom connected through one cable, which is this one. So I don't know if that's right or not, but this one shares, you know, 1, 2, 3. Guys, what's going on? I don't know why it took me like. Alright guys, so here's the final product. I'm not sure if I skipped anything. I just decided to go ahead and work on it. And yeah, this is the final product. As you can see, cable management, not the best, but you know, this is my first build. My best. I thought it was going to be okay, but it really wasn't the best for cable management. Another thing is this power supply, 12 volt cable. Have a USB 3.0 slot or connection for the cable. I'm also not using the eSATA connector from the front, which is this right here. What else? Cable management, all the cables are just back there. I tried my best to push them all in there, or make it look the best it'll go. I have a PCI or 6-pin connectors that there were spares. I also have a in there. What else? Here we go. Moment of truth. Connected. The last clip of everything. So I have to charge it. It's not even fully charged yet or anything. It's at like 10%, and recording seriously makes it go down a lot. But here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Wish me luck. Okay, Anthony? Okay. Okay. anyways, we're okay. We're up and running. Fans are doing fine. Does this work? Okay. Everything works. Blowing out. Everything is open. I've loaded this up. Mouse is working. This off because that's my laptop. I'm recording the wrong one. OC, look at this. Overclocking, advanced monitor. We're at 34 Celsius. Okay. I think security main. Okay, and let's. Yes. Please check out if you guys play Minecraft and you want to check out a Let's Play. I have a Minecraft Let's Play on my channel. I have some iPod videos that I don't do anymore, but you know they're up there if you want to watch them. And that's pretty much it. I will make update videos if I do get my new hard drive, get more fans, get the other stick of RAM. Yeah. Let me check in here real quick. Memory RAM, 12 gigs.